Runway AI Complete Walkthrough for Beginners. Want to create stunning videos using AI with zero editing skills? Welcome to Runway AI. Let me show you how in under a minute. First, head to the runwayml.com and sign up. It's free to start. Once you're in, you land on the dashboard. This is your created playground. Think of it as a Canva, but for AI video magic. Then, click on the chat. Type your idea. Then hit generate. Then boom! You've got a video made from your pure imagination. You can tweak the style, length, and even add motions effects. Now, use tools like remove background, green screen, or magic pose. Want to replace the sky with fireworks? That's your idea. All in your browser. No fancy software needed. Finish? Hit the export, choose your resolution, and download it. Now post it on TikTok, YouTube, or wherever you just made pro content with AI. So what are you waiting for? Dive into Runway AI and turn your ideas into videos. Follow for more!